Join the crossbody strap pieces by placing the short ends right sides together, perpendicular to each other, overlapping the ends. Sew a diagonal seam from corner to corner. Trim excess seam to 1/4 inch wide. Finger press the seam open and top stitch an 1/8 inch from each side of the seam. Trim the extra fabric even with the edges of the strap. Next, with wrong sides together, fold the strap in half along the length. You can use some wonder clips to hold the folds in place. Then you're going to top stitch each long side with an 1/8 inch seam allowance. After sewing, thread one end of the strap over the center bar of a slider buckle. Fold the end of the strap towards the underside and top stitch the strap to itself either with a straight line across, a box, or even a box with an X in the middle for reinforcement. I'm just going to sew a straight line across. Next, have the underside of your strap face up and make sure your strap isn't twisted. Thread the opposite end of the strap without the slider buckle through a swivel hook and move the swivel hook so it's closer to the buckle. The flat side of the swivel hook should be against the underside of your strap. Then thread the end of the strap over the center bar of the slider buckle again. This will help conceal that raw end and underside of the strap. To complete the strap, thread the end through the remaining swivel hook. Again, you'll want the flat side of the hardware against the underside of the strap. Then fold the end of the strap onto itself and top stitch the end of the strap to itself, just like you did before. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!